It was a typical Tuesday morning at the warehouse. Sunlight filtered through the high windows, casting long shadows between the towering aisles of stock. Worker X, fresh from a training session the previous day, was eager to put his new skills to the test. He approached the newly arrived electric pallet trucks, or EPTs, with a sense of excitement mixed with trepidation. The outdoor manager had recently replaced the manual pallet trucks with these EPTs after hearing complaints about the exertion required to move heavy products. The decision seemed sensible. After all, these electric trucks promised efficiency and ease. Yet, as Worker X would soon discover, they also harbored potential danger when handled improperly. The morning began as any other, with the routine check of the EPT. Worker X inspected the machine, ensuring it was in good working order. He donned his steel toe cap boots, as mandated by the warehouse's written procedure for EPT use. Everything seemed to be in order. But then, the first misstep occurred. Worker X, under the pressure of the imminent delivery of summer plants, decided to use the EPT during the warehouse's peak hours. The outdoor section was bustling with customers and fellow workers. The paths between the aisles, usually clear, were now bustling with activity. This deviation from the recommended quieter working hours set the stage for what was to come. Then came the second misstep. Worker X, in his rush, failed to properly plan and clear his route. He didn't fully adhere to the load limits, hoping to expedite the process. The EPT was now a ticking time bomb in the crowded warehouse. The accident happened swiftly. As Worker X maneuvered the overloaded EPT down a slope, another violation of the guidelines, he lost control. The EPT, heavy with its load, began to speed up. Worker X desperately tried to stop the machine and apply the brakes, but it was too late. The EPT collided with a stack of crates, causing a domino effect of falling stock. The warehouse erupted in chaos.
Ever pondered the cascading effects of neglecting safety procedures? Imagine a typical day at Garden Space, a haven for greenery enthusiasts, turned haywire due to a single lapse in safety protocol. 2 weeks ago, the anticipation was high for a delivery of large potted trees. The delivery, originally scheduled for 7 in the morning, was delayed till 11. Once the warehouse processed the delivery, the outdoor team leader, or OTL, was informed that the new products were ready for collection. It was peak hours at Garden Space, bustling with customers. So the OTL decided to instruct 3 trained workers to display the new products after 1700 hours, well past the rush. However, the harmony of the day was about to be disrupted. A worker, let's call him Worker X, decided to defy the OTL's instructions. He dismissed the OTL's decision as a waste of time and took matters into his own hands. He retrieved an electric pallet truck, or EPT, from storage and proceeded to load up the new trees. As he was driving the loaded EPT from the warehouse to the outdoor section, he found the main pathway blocked by customers. Frustrated, he chose to navigate down a narrower path, sandwiched between 2 long raised planter beds. As he reached the end of the beds, he failed to notice a customer crossing his path. The EPT's front wheels ran over the customer's foot, causing a bone-chilling scream to fill the air. In his panic, Worker X forgot to apply the brake, causing the EPT to roll over the customer's foot again and finally crash into a wall. The scream alerted nearby workers who rushed to the scene. The on-duty first aider administered emergency care, and the OTL promptly alerted the emergency services, demonstrating the effectiveness of the emergency procedure. The operations manager, or OM, arrived soon after, instructing workers to cordon off the accident site and guiding Worker X, who was in shock, to the garden center office. A customer who witnessed the accident was asked to provide a statement, which was recorded with their consent. Worker X was interviewed about the incident, and after being sent home, the OM documented the accident scene, recording observations and taking photographs. The remaining outdoor workers were informed of the incident and sent home for the rest of the day. In the wake of the accident, Worker X was unable to return to work for a week. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of following safety procedures, not just for the well-being of the staff, but also for the customers. A single act of defiance can snowball into a major incident, causing harm and disruption. Safety isn't just a protocol, it's a responsibility each one of us carry, for our own sake and for the sake of others around us.
In the world of business, the unexpected often lurks around the corner. For Garden Space, a seemingly ordinary day was about to take a dramatic turn. Little did they know, a delayed delivery was about to change everything. The legal reasons for managing health and safety at Garden Space are manifold. At the heart of these reasons lies the fundamental principle of duty of care. Garden Space, like any other business entity, is obligated to protect its employees from harm while at work. This obligation is not just ethical, but also legal. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines, lawsuits, and even imprisonment for severe negligence. Moreover, proper health and safety management can contribute to the overall productivity and morale of the workforce. A safe working environment fosters trust and commitment, leading to increased efficiency and job satisfaction. Garden Space has shown a commendable example of good leadership in health and safety management. The management has demonstrated a proactive approach, taking necessary measures to prevent accidents before they occur. The leadership's commitment to safety has been evident in their willingness to invest in safety equipment and training, thereby setting a high standard for the rest of the team to follow. However, the effectiveness of the warehouse safe system of work for using electric pallet trucks, EPTs, in the outdoor section has come under scrutiny. While the system has been designed with safety in mind, the actual application of these safety measures is only as effective as the people implementing them. Similarly, the effectiveness of the EPT training is contingent upon the diligence of the operators. Training provides the necessary knowledge and skills, but it is the responsibility of the individual to apply this learning in a practical setting. Under the International Labour Organization's Occupational Safety and Health Convention, Worker X's actions could potentially contravene the regulations if they have failed to adhere to safety guidelines. Their actions could be seen as negligence, which is a serious breach of safety regulations. In light of the emergency, the management of Garden Space showed commendable crisis handling skills. Their swift actions and clear communication helped to mitigate the immediate impact of the incident. However, the real test of their effectiveness will be in the aftermath of the accident. Investigations will need to be conducted to determine the cause of the accident, and measures will need to be taken to prevent a similar incident from occurring in the future. In conclusion, while the incident at Garden Space was unfortunate, it serves as a stark reminder of the importance of safety in the workplace. It is a call to action for all businesses to prioritize safety and follow procedures diligently. After all, a safe workplace is not just a legal requirement, but a fundamental right of every worker.